Hey and welcome back to Spare Fashion. My name is Aniela and today we're gonna turn fabric leftovers into a simple dice bag. A perfect gift for tabletop dice players. So don't forget to like, subscribe and let's begin sewing! Cut pattern elements, use measurements shown on the video. Fold in half with the right sides together and sew with straight stitch 1 cm from edge. Don't forget to left some gap 5 cm on the side. Exactly the same way, fold, pin and sew the smaller square. Don't forget to leave a gap. Sew 1 cm from edge. Trim sharp corners. Turn right side out through gap. Press flat with your iron. And top stitch half centimeter from edge all the way around. This way we're gonna close our gap too. Trim sharp corners with scissors. Turn right side out through gap. And sew all the way around half centimeter from edge. As you see, that was quick. We finished sewing bigger square and the smaller square. Now we're gonna pin our smaller square into the center of our bigger one in the lining side. And now we're gonna pin this square with the pins. And draw a line connecting both corners of our square. In this way, you're gonna draw the X mark. And sew straight stitch on marked lines. Don't forget about backstitch at the beginning and end of your sewing. Okay, so our, let's call it inside pocket for our dice is ready. Now turn your square right side up and each corner fold 5 centimeters and pin with pins. Repeat the step with each corner. 5 centimeter, fold and pin. Now we're gonna sew tunnel of our straps, and we're gonna sew 1.5 centimeter from our edge. Each corner we're gonna sew exactly the same way. Don't forget about backstitch at the beginning and end of your sewing. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's only one thing is missing, it's strap. Now we're gonna use safety pin to thread our drawstring to tunnels we just saw. Now it's time for final step. We're gonna pull our threads to add shape to our dice bag. And ta-da! Isn't it beautiful? Cute flower in the center. And voila, your dice bag is ready. As you can see, after you pull your thread, it's create this charming flower center. And after tying bow, we're adding additional cup of sugar on this dice bag. You can use any fabric of your choice, and you can sew this dice bag in the bigger size. You just need to change the centimeters I added from the video, and you can make totally different shape if you want. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and see you in the next one.